Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically clear cache on your TikTok app. So usually on other phones, you can just go to settings and go to the TikTok app on the setting and delete cache, but as you can see, it's not there. So just go to your home page or to your apps there. Go and select TikTok and just press on it, and there's going to be a clear cache button. You're just going to select that. And as you can see, there's going to be this option here where you can clear cache. So clear it and then press clear. You can also clear downloads. It's just like effects and filters and stuff like that. And there's also drafts, which I'm not going to delete. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.